The all-new Note Aura comes exclusively with Nissan's e-Power electrified powertrain, a key part of the company's electrification strategy under the Nissan NEXT global business transformation plan. The all-new vehicle inherits the comfort and advanced safety technologies of the Note e-Power launched last year, with added premium furnishings and system enhancements. With a simple, beautiful design that goes beyond the compact car norm, the Note Aura aims to exceed the expectations of all occupants. The exterior features an elaborately sculpted front grille, and an elongated, curved roofline. The rear fenders and new rear bumper convey a wide stance and low center of gravity, giving the vehicle a robust presence. The LED combination lamps that illuminate as a beam of light across the rear of the vehicle create an advanced and individualistic impression. The model comes with 14 available body color variations, with 5 two-tone combinations, including garnet red with super black, and midnight black with sunrise sea ochre.